and I am lost here. There is a bus. Oh, okay. So my mission now is to try and find back where I can get to back to my city, because this place is very nice view. Somewhere far, really far back in the background, but this place is like nowhere. So I'm gonna flip around the camera because I have a car coming behind me. Then I'm gonna try and show you some scenery around here. So they have some school here, and I mean, so it's like kids and stuff, but it's very nice eng here. And you can really see super far away. So the bridge to Denmark is really far in the background. And now I'm gonna try and find another way to go back to my city. This is apparently, I have been to a nature place today, which was the first time, and you will potentially see a little bit of what I have walked, because I'm gonna flip around the camera and I have like huge fields in front of me here, so I will flip around the camera and show. Okay, so I'm not completely lost, I have like a sign. However, the roads is not super practical, because you cannot walk just across a field unless you need to run away from like some creeps or something else. But yeah, I came from somewhere really far over there. Oops, there's a car. And now I'm gonna try and walk back and find this way. So I have no idea how I'm gonna walk back, because when I came here to the nature place, which is really far away also, it's a couple of kilometers, I came from a road on the other side of the field that was stretching a few kilometers in that direction, and now I don't know how far this trail is gonna go. So I also think that I am approximately, I don't know how many kilometers, honestly. Maybe I am potentially like 8 kilometers away, 10 up to 10 kilometers away from my city. So, but this was a very nice place. So there's actually a church somewhere here in the front. So, and there's a school on the other side. So I will see if I can maybe go to the church and just see what it looks like and take you all the way there. But yeah, so I'm trying to get, because I have a rucksack with me, I'm trying to get like fit for all these hikes that I'm going to be doing, because I have approximately a couple of hikes that are going to be more demanding in front of me. So for that reason I'm trying to get some extra walking and stuff, you know. So that was just a car flipping by. Okay, so let me see if I can walk here. It's so good to have camera, because I would never be able to capture any of these places, because they are really fucking weird. Oh, sorry, now I said something bad, but they are really weird places. So look at this field. And there was another car passing by. So I will see if I can walk. I think I am now on the right track here to the, like, for bicycling to the city, because actually the road I took when I came here, it had like a ton of trucks, maybe like 40 different trucks. Okay, I don't know what that sign is saying. I think it is declaring that this is for bicycling, so I hope it is. It is now 3:30 and it's a Friday, so people are like getting off from work maybe a little bit earlier, or some people are not working but they have like vacation. So okay, if this is not the right road, then I'm going to go back out on the big road and continue just walk until I'm getting to the other bicycling track that I was on before I started to venture after. And by the way, I should have had a map. I actually have a paper map, but I didn't take it with me. So let's see. Okay, there was some cars passing by. Now, let's see here. Yay! Okay, I found the bicycling track. I think this is the. But now, where was the church? Because there was supposed to be a church here. This was actually saying that this is like a, I don't know, pilgrimage trail or something. So I was just thinking that, you know, it might be a nice track. I don't know, but I don't know. Oh, now I see the church. But I'm going to try and find a sign that says how far I am from the city, because if I'm like, I don't know, 10 kilometers away, then I have quite far to walk actually. So, yeah, okay. So now I think I am on a, oh my god, I don't know, pilgrimage like trail as well. So yeah, they have a church, but there seem to be a lot of people there, so I don't know if something is going on. Yeah. Okay, I will try and film a little bit of the church. It's right here in the, right there. Okay, I found my trail. Thanks God. I would have walked all the way to, I don't even know where, all the way to the coastline if I wouldn't have taken this. Oh my God, okay. So I'm just walking by because there was apparently like a kindergarten or something. So I'm just gonna walk past here and see if I get into the trail. So I think I'm on the trail now. So now I am like on the other side of that road that I was on. So I will flip around and show the view, because now I'm like on the top of this kind of huge hill. Okay, so I was somewhere on the other side and that was not the right track. So now I think this is what I'm dealing with, and I don't know how long this, I have no idea how far this is gonna take, like how long. Let me check. It's like 10 minutes. Yeah, how long is this trail? It had no signs, and typically if there's no sign saying how far it is, it can be quite extensive. So now I think this is a very cute trail, as you can see. Looks very like, what should I call it, pilgrimage type of trailish. And there's some industrial area on my right side. So I'm just gonna keep on walking and hope I'm getting to my city at some point today. I might have to run as well, because I think I'm super far away from my city, and there are some people walking there. So Okay, so I'm gonna flip around because I don't know if they are what they are. It seem to be kind of young people. So what is it saying? So this is apparently a pilgrimage trail, so I didn't know they had that, but it said on a sign, another sign, and as you can see, it's like super far. Vistas. I don't know how many kilometers I walked today. I think it's gonna end up being around 30 kilometers, to be honest. So, and as well, I might run part of this trail. So, yeah. So I think this is actually where they take horses. Like you can go ride here with some horses as well. If I had knew that this trail was this nice, I would have come this way instead of taking that other trail that I was on, because you don't see anything. You have like trees on both sides of the trail, so you can see so far. But this way you can see like really far. So I'm gonna turn around because I'm like, where is this trail? So yeah, talk about being lost. Okay, now I can see my city. So look at this view. Wow. I'm gonna come here more times potentially if I'm still here after some time, but my city where I'm going is right there, like on the other side of these whole fields. So I don't know how long this is gonna take me, to be honest. There's another house here. So I think I will end here and then I might do another one.